What's up, YouTube? I'm Shane, and today on Learn English with Shane, I have a lesson involving expressions, part 2. Notice I have my guitar here today. They say whenever you play music, it's supposed to help you remember things, so let's do an experiment. Yo también. Yo también. Me too. Me too. The ice cream truck is just coming down the street. All the little kids are running outside and going, me too, me too. Yo tampoco. Yo tampoco. Me neither. Me neither. The mom is serving all the little kids at the table. She's serving them broccoli and Brussels sprouts and carrots. And little kids are going, me neither. Me neither. Make them eat their vegetables anyways. Que barbaridad. Que barbaridad. Don't make fun of my pronunciation either. I haven't heard you speak English. How awful. How awful. Your neighbor just told you last night their dog got struck by lightning and is fried outside in the backyard. How awful. Que lástima. Que lástima. What a shame. What a shame. Johnny just got a new Camaro from the Chevy dealership, and as soon as he drove it off the lot, he ran into a telephone pole and totaled his car. What a shame. What a shame. Buena suerte. Buena suerte. Good luck. Good luck. I'm going to the store today to try to go get some toilet paper. Good luck. Good luck. Cuánto lo siento. Cuánto lo siento. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If you're married, you really need to learn those words. It will help you so much. You were right. I'm so sorry. Cuánto me alegro. Cuánto me alegro. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. We're going on a vacation next week. My bags are packed. I'm so glad. No puede ser. No puede ser. It can't be. It can't be. I just went out in the parking lot and my car is missing. It can't be. Que bueno. Que bueno. Means good. How great. So, your kid comes home from school. He got an A+ on his math test. Great. ¿Qué importa? ¿Qué importa? Who cares? Who cares? Justin Bieber just got a new sweater, and his dog is able to sing his favorite song. Who cares? Who cares? Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I got more videos coming. For now, I'm out.